Hey, how's it going? Today we're going to go over how to draw Shadow the Hedgehog. It's going to be simple, easy for beginners on the iPad, okay? We're going to use Procreate and a pencil, an Apple Pencil. Going to go over here and select the dark, and we're going to get started, okay? Follow along the whole way. It's only 8 minutes. Even if you have just paper, follow along. Very simple stuff, so let's get started, okay? We're going to draw his head on this. So right now I'm going to go over here and I'm going to draw the curved arc of his brow. Don't forget I'm also using the brush set. It's a custom brush set I use for myself. I created it. You can buy it as well. You can download it. First link in the description, you can download that. Go take a look at that. It's on Gumroad. Gonna go over here. So this is his far eye, and it's gonna be the brow on this side. Curve in. Curve over here, where he's kind of like bunched his eyebrows a little bit. And I'm gonna pull up. Oops, it easy. Let's try it again. Undo is pressing 2 fingers to the tablet. Curve over here. Wait, man, let me do one more. Make it farther. There you go. Cool beans. I'm gonna go over here, curve for kind of that muzzle area, like top where the nose is gonna go, right above that. Line over here. Whoops, kind of around the muzzle area. Over here on this side, we're gonna go over the other side, so it's gonna be a curve underneath, curve around the corner. And now we're going to connect these two right here. Oops, let's try that one more time. Right there. If you want to fix that line, you can kind of repair these lines. We'll do it a little bit later. But remember, what you're trying to do is you're not trying to do perfect. You're trying to do like the gist of the impression. Is it impression? Shadow? Is it shadow? Right? Going to go up over here. Up. Curve down. Curve down. Over here on this side, curve. Whoops, it easy. So we're gonna do his brow like above his eye. So I'm gonna go over here, pull up, curve down, like a little box above his eye. Right, this is his brow. So Shadow's features are a lot more angular than Sonic's, if there really is one. Usually it's the angles that I think really separate it. Let's go over here, move the board here. Go over here to the nose. Out, down, in, right there, like a triangle. A little highlight, like right there, so like leave white, and then we're gonna fill that in. Gonna go over here for his mouth, and he's always a little bit angry, right? So, bam. Yeah, he's got that anger thing. Go over here, find his eye. Oopsie daisy, what is going on here? Yeah. Alright, let's get back to it here. We're going to go over here now, and we're going to do the kind of like the top spike first. Up. And down here. I'm going to go over here and I'm going to do his ears, which is just a regular triangle, okay? Right above here. Triangle. Like top of a triangle. Over here. On the far side triangle. Line underneath. Up over here. Down. Oops. Down. You get that full triangle underneath that. Let's go over here and draw the eye now. Curve. And you can see just a sliver of the eye on this side. Highlight. Just draw a circle. Maybe a little bit of a highlight on the far end. Dot right here. Dot right here. Alright. And now we're going to move him around on here. I'm going to go over here on the top. I don't know if you can see this. Yeah. Select. The select tool is an arrow. Select tool. Move it over just a bit. And maybe shrink it just a tad right here. You know, you're going to grab the edge of this square that it makes. Right there. Cool. Go back to brush. And I'm going to pull a spike out. Down, up. That's a big difference between Shadow and Sonic. Is this one of his spikes goes upward. Down, right? Or 2 of his spikes go upward. Back in. Going to go over here now. Down, oops. Down. Curve up. Down over here. There's like a hook shape upward. It's pretty cool. And before I move this back, I'm going to give him a little bit of the chest hair that he has. So So zigzag right here, back, zigzag over here. Let's do that, undo, zigzag over here. Whoops, let me do it one more time. Back over here. And then the zigzags are gonna go this way. I don't like that. Look. I'm gonna make it look a little bit more like teeth. Oops, right there. Now I'm gonna pull this spike backward into here. Right on. We want that far end spike over here. So the one on the far end, out, down. Oops, let me go. Out, down. Hold on, let me try that one more time. Oops. Out, down. There you go. And what I want to do here is straighten some lines. So I'm going to straighten line here. Oops. Straighten the line here. Eraser tool there. All right. And let's draw the designs on him, okay? So right off the bat, he's got some eyeliner. So we're draw a thin line up. I can make it thinner on this side. See this little scale right here? Make it thinner line. I'm gonna go over here, and I'm gonna pull up, down. Oops. Undo. Down. Gonna go over here on this side. Up, down. Oops. Up, down. It's got that eyeliner right there. Gonna draw right here now. Gonna pull down, curve up. It's got like a red stripe right there. Down over here, pull up. And then right in the middle, curve down. Oops. Down. Let me try that again. Curve. And it's gonna come to kind of a point there. Up over here. And line over here. So let's color this guy, honestly. Let's color, you know, shadow. First, we're gonna go over here to the top right hand corner, select the word bubble. As far as colors go, I can, right here, you can drag like the color we want. So I'm gonna do his mouth first. That's a little bit more of a beige, kind of orange. Maybe over here. And then this area, it's gonna go up and down is how dark you want the color. And then right and left is how much saturation you want. Is it gonna get more, you know, yellow, or is it gonna get more gray, or is it gonna take it away, right? So let's go over here to kind of top middle, kind of around that area. I'm gonna yank it down, drop it right there. You basically, you tap that, you drag it over. Tap that over here, drag it over there. All right, I think that's the only two areas like that. Then I'm gonna go into the black area, but since we want to see him, we're not gonna make it black totally. So I'm gonna just pull this over here so there's no saturation. I'm gonna pull up just a bit, maybe give it like a dark gray. So let's try that out. I'm gonna drag it over, drop. That's pretty good. I kind of like that. I like that gray. I'm gonna go over here, downward, right on, and his far side ear over there. Cool, cool. Oh, I forgot the far side of his brow over here. Little sliver. Let's go over here to the bottom, and it's gonna be a lighter gray. So I'm gonna actually move this up on that wheel a little bit, quite a bit up. Drop that right there. Go back, select, and I'm gonna go for a red, a very red over here. And I'm gonna drag it over here, drop it, and I can over here continue filling at the very top. When I drop that one, continue filling. So now I can just press the ones I want without having to, oops, daisy, without having to select it over and over again. Dang. There you go. It's kind of hard to hit that. And there you go. That is Shadow the Hedgehog. Don't forget, we have coloring books, and also pick up the brushes set. It's completely custom made. I made it for you guys. Go in the very first link and go check that out. That is an awesome thing. I use those brushes for pretty much everything kind of in the cartoon sense. Check out the description otherwise, and I'll talk to you in the next video, okay? See you soon.